What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Auto Auction Rebuilds. Today, very short video because I've decided I'm going to sell one of the cars. And that means it's already up for sale at Copart. It's going up for auction very, very soon. And you saw the thumbnail. It is the Maserati. Or is it a Chrysler? It's a Maserati built... No, Chrysler... I don't know. It's yellow. So I took the time to give her a bath. This is my 1989 Chrysler. Is that a Scorpion? Whoa. No, it's not. Okay. This is my 1989. Let's read the back because the back tells you what it actually is. It is a Chrysler TC by Maserati. In fact, it says Chrysler's TC by Maserati. This is an absolutely stunning car, even in this weird yellow cream color. This thing runs and drives out fine. I've actually put another 60 miles on it, just taking it out with the top down and enjoying it. The convertible top does work. It's a very weird manual and automatic top. I even gave the thing a bath. I washed it up and made sure that it was looking good for the photo op earlier today. It has under 100,000 miles and it has a clean title. All right, I've got the title in hand with me today. 91,649 miles on the odometer. It's got an aftermarket Kenwood deck, but the original stereo is still there. And even better, factory air conditioning. Yes, it works. It actually works. The leather is a little cracked and a little old, obviously, but all of the windows work. Convertible top works. Radio works. And you got some storage back here, which is nice. It's hard to see, but there is storage back there, along with storage in the trunk. And if you pop the hood, you'll see this this crazy powerful turbocharged. I don't even know what size it is. It's probably like a 2.2. Let's see. It's just a little four-cylinder, guys, but there she is. Chrysler 2.2 liter turbo four-cylinder. Very nice, very clean under here. It almost looks like this air compressor has been replaced at some point, doesn't it? It's been converted R134A2. I saw these new fittings, and even the labels and everything down there still look new. So this thing's honestly in pretty incredible condition. Doesn't get hot at all. Good oil pressure. Just runs and drives down the road. Absolutely great with cold air and a working convertible top. And there it is. Headlights, turn signals work. Good tires. Overall, just a great little car. Does have some hail damage. We've been over that before. That's the reason why this thing is not being sold for like $10,000. You can laugh, but look around. These, for some reason, are rather collectible cars, guys. These things, I've looked around on Bring a Trailer and some of these other things. What is it? Barn finds, and these weird little Maserati Chrysler cars can easily hit $10,000, $13,000, $14,000. So I put mine up with a buy it now, $4,500. I think it's more than fair, but you know, we'll see what happens in the auction. I will put a link to this car directly below the video. So if you're interested, you can check it out for yourself. You can bid on it. You can buy it now. Whatever floats your boat. Just wanted to throw a quick video out for you guys so you knew it was for sale. Check out the previous videos of this car where you can see us taking it on a 10-mile drive up and down the road. It does great, guys. I took it down to the tag agency, which is about 20 miles away, and I drove it 20 miles back. They had to do a VIN inspection, and all is good. Like I said, clean title, not rebuilt. I have a clean, clear Oklahoma title in hand. So if you're interested, link is directly below this video. But that's only if Nick doesn't try to swipe this car from you guys first. I went ahead and listed it, but he's already told me he is interested in this car. I want him to have something a little bit newer, just something a little more modern, something with a few more safety features and maybe a few less miles. That's my idea. But if he really wants this car and it hasn't sold yet, I may pull the listing. Forgive me, guys. I'm still getting over being sick. Trying my best to get some videos out for you. I'm still recovering. I'm going to get out of here. Like I said, link is directly below this video to this car. If you're interested in it, go check it out. Thank you so much for watching. Hit the thumbs up button if you enjoyed the video. Consider subscribing to the channel if you're not already subscribed. And until next time, stay safe out there, everybody. I look forward to seeing you all again very soon in the next one.